Good morning, kids. Time is valuable and we must respect it. Yes, children, time once gone cannot come back. So, we need to be very punctual and do things on time. I hope you have read the story about the late Leo and you have learned the lesson that we should always be punctual and we should always be on time. Otherwise, we sometimes we miss our things. Yes, things which are very near dear to us, things which we love to do, we sometimes miss it because we are late. Like Leo missed the competition prize, he missed that concert time, and then he was crying that because he was lazy and he was slow and singing in the shower, he missed that concert time. So always be on time, always do things on time, children. I will tell you the words to know and other activities of the lesson today. So let's start. Words to know. Jig, a dance. Yes, while singing, if you dance a little bit, that is known as jig. Fabulous, that's wonderful. Took ages, took a lot of time. So Leo was taking ages to have bath, he was singing and dancing, so he was taking a lot of time. Spectacular, amazing. Punctual, doing things on time. Respect, something that you think is important. Yes, why do we respect our parents? Because they are important to us. Why do we respect our teachers, our grandparents? Because they are important to us. Same way, children, time is very important. It is very valuable. So don't waste time. Now be mindful. Have you ever felt your breath? Try it. Try to pay attention to your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Try to feel the breath go in your body and then come out. So how much time it takes to complete one whole breath? This will help you to stay calm and relaxed. Yes, children. So sit down at a calm, peaceful area and try feeling your breath. Try taking your breath inside and then try taking it out and see how much time it takes to come out. So that will relax your mind and it will keep you calm. Do that whenever you are a little stressed out or whenever you are a little tired. Now, question and answers. Why was Leo's father upset with him? Leo's father was upset with him because he was always late. He was always late going to school. He misses the school bus and then his mother used to drop him. Why did Leo get late to collect his prize? Leo got late because he was very slow, he was lazy, he was singing and dancing, taking shower and taking a lot of time to get ready. How did Leo feel when he missed the concert? Leo started crying. He felt bad that because of his laid back attitude and he took ages to get ready, he missed the concert time. What lesson did we learn from Leo's mistake? Yes, children, we learned that we should always be on time and punctual. Otherwise, we might miss some good things in life. Do you respect time? Yes, we respect time by doing all our activities on time and not being lazy and not crying all the time that I'll do later and right now let me play, I'll do my homework later. No, we should do it on time. Now children, let's see, complete the words. Leo was a lazy boy. Leo's father was upset with him for being late. Leo won the singing competition. Leo spent his holiday with grandparents and his puppy. Leo learned that we should always value time. Now circle the correct sentence from the story. Leo was always on time. No. Leo didn't want the prize, so he was late. No. Leo's parents didn't want him to collect the prize. No, his father was waiting for Leo to get ready and go to school. Leo was upset when he lost the prize and he couldn't go to the concert. Very true. Yes, Leo was crying because he was late. Leo understood the value of time. Yes, after this incident, Leo was always was ready on time and he was going in school bus and he was doing all the things on time. Now let's put these words in correct form. To be on time, punctual. Costly, expensive. To irritate, to annoy someone. Necessary, important. To hurry, rush. Now it is a very interesting subject connect today, children. We will see how to make sundials. Yes, in olden days, children, when there were no clocks and watches, how people used to see time? People used to see time through sundials. Today I will tell you how they used to do it. Sundials are the oldest known instrument for telling time. Before clocks were invented, people generally relied on sun to tell time. As sundial is an instrument with a pole in its center and make that tell the time like clock. When the sun shines on the pole, shadow appears in different markings on the sundial. Sundials were used by many cultures to help people know what time it was. With time, clock and watches took places of sundial. Most towns and cities had a clock tower. This clock tower was the official tower keeper for the city's own and town's time. The time on the clock tower could be checked using sundial. This meant that every town has its own local time. Yes, children. So earlier what they used to do is they used to make big sundials, and as sun rises, जो उसकी शैडो आती थी, सन की शैडो से टाइम पता पड़ता था. आपने देखा होगा, अपने पास भी है क्लॉक टावर. रिमेंबर, इफ़ यू गो टू द नया सड़क आप जाएंगे तो वहाँ पर आपको एक बड़ा सा क्लॉक टावर दिखता है या नहीं दिखता है जोधपुर का? यस, लाइक दैट एवरी सिटी एंड टाउन had their own clock tower that time. I will also teach you how to make a sundial today. So you can do that activity whenever you have time, and then you have your personal sundial, right? So let's see value for life first. Here are some rules for you and me. See how important they can be. Always be punctual, never be late, always be on time, and don't make anybody wait. These are rules we should know. We follow these rules wherever we go. Yes, children, very important that we should follow. We should have rules in life. We should always reach on time. We should be punctual. We should respect time, and we should always respect other person's time. ऐसा नहीं हो कि आपने उसको बोला है कि चलो हम 5 o'clock खेलने को मिलते हैं and then you are reaching at 5:30. No, if you say 5, you should be punctual and reach at 5 o'clock. So now we will make our own sundial. For that we need a page to make sundial, crayons, rocks, a straw or a coffee stir, a clock and a safety scissor. Now make a large circle on the page and cut out that circle. Make 12 circles along the edge of the circle. Write numbers on these circles so that it looks like clock. This is your sundial. Decorate the sundial. Feel free to color crayons and decorate it. Now take everything outside and put the sundial on the ground. Use the rock to hold the sundial so that it does not blow away by the wind. Stick the straw or the coffee stirrer into the center of the sundial so that it fixes the ground. Now stick it like it is shown in the image, children. Use the clock to see what time it is. Turn your sundial so that the shadow cast by the straw points the correct hour of your sundial. Observe how your shadow of the straw moves like the hand of the clock, which does show us why does the shadow moves. So now as it is shown in the picture, try making this, children, and put it in the sun. You will see how the shadow is moving now. जैसे जैसे आपके sundial पे shadow आएगी वैसे वैसे वो straw move होने लग जाएगा. Try to do this whenever you have free time. So children, this was all about the story importance of time and late Leo. I hope my children will never be late and will always be on time. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, be safe and stay happy. Bye bye.